Hello everybody, welcome back to the workshop. So today I'm going to hit you with another pro tip. So the pro tip today is using soft face hammers with your hot cut Hardys. Now, the reason why I like to use a soft face hammer with my hot cut Hardy is for two very specific reasons. The two very specific reasons is this. First and foremost, I do not damage my main forging hammer. This forging hammer here is what I hit all of my steel with. I don't want to leave little puck marks and little scratch marks in the final finish of the work, because you're going to add unnecessary texture marks that you don't necessarily want if you happen to miss this, or you'll have to grind back and keep dressing up the faces of your hammer. Like it or not, mishaps do happen on the hot cut Hardy. Now, with that being said, a soft face hammer doesn't have this problem, because this is a hardened tool and this is a softened tool. It cuts into this face and it protects the hot cut. If you hammer two hardened surfaces together, you take a chance of blowing out a chip out of it and injuring yourself or someone in your shop. So use a soft face hammer, whether it be a brass hammer, a lead hammer, which you can't use on hot steel, the brass hammer or something of the like, or just a mild steel hammer like what I've got here, and use that to cut off your material on the Hardy. Now this doesn't mean you can just go welling away at this thing, because you don't want this to be too tore up either. So, but this prevents, again, you damaging your main forging hammer. And this hammer here has special sentiment because it was made in a class with Tom Latney. So I'm very partial to it, and I want to keep it around for years to come. This here was just made on the fly in about an hour's of work. I've drifted the hole through this mild steel block. Bam. Now I don't have to worry about it, right? So big plus and tip there, and I hope you guys will take it to heart. So let me know in the comment section down below if you found that this was a helpful video, and if you like more videos like these, also let me know, and make sure to give it a big thumbs up. I'd like to see, I do read every comment, and I do watch to see, how those thumbs up and thumbs downs do on videos, to constantly try to improve and better at YouTube. So without further ado, thank you all for watching. I'm going to get back to smithing over there at the fire. I got a piece that's hot. As always, God bless you, and we will catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.